Hello, in this video I will show you how to install the Flashcard script. So before you can install the script, you need to create a database in your server. I'm using a shared hosting at a company called A2 Hosting, and I have access to a cPanel control panel. Most hosting companies provide similar control panels or the same one. So in order to create a database, you go to the database section and click MySQL databases. Here, create a database. Let's just call it Flash. Click create, and the database is created. Let's copy the name of the database and just take a note. Let's go back, and we need to create a database user as well. So scroll down, click here, add, you can name it anything you like, it doesn't really matter. Add the password. I just use this password generator. I'll just copy this password, take a note of the password, and click create user. Copy the database username. Okay, so I'm just taking notes because we will need this information during the installation. So let's go back, and I've got one thing left to do. I need to add this user to the database. So I just select the database I just created here, and I click add, and I'll make sure this user has all the privileges on this database. Click make changes, and we are done here. Go back to the main page of the control panel. It really doesn't matter where you install the script. You can install it anywhere. You can install it in your root directory. You can install it in a subdirectory, or you can install it on a subdomain. I will install it in a subdomain. If you want to create a subdomain, you can go to the domains section, subdomains, and you just write the name. I already created a subdomain called Flashcard. So if you just add Flashcard and click create, and your script will be available through http://flashcard.yourdomainname.com. Okay, now all we need to do is upload the files. So once you purchase the script and downloaded it, you need to upload all the folders and files to the server. To do that, I will use a software called FileZilla. It's an FTP client. You can use this to connect to your server. So here I have all the files and folders of the script that I need to upload, and I'll just connect to my server. And here I have the subdomain I created in the control panel. So I just go here. If you have any junk files, you can just delete them. Okay, and to upload everything, you just need to select all the folders and files, right click and click upload. Depending on your server, it may take a while, so I'll just pause the video until it finishes the upload. Okay, the files have been uploaded. Now we are ready to install. So let's go to a new tab and just type the installation URL that we need to use. Of course, here you would write your own address, yoursite.com, or if it's in a subdirectory, yoursite.com/flashcard/install. Okay, so if you're done, just hit enter, and now we are in the installation area. In order to install, you need MySQL version 5 or above, and you need at least PHP 7. Okay, so if you have this, just click Continue, and here we have to add the database details. So in the hostname field, most of the time it's a local host. If it's different on your server, then you need to contact your server provider and ask them what's the host name is. Here we have to add the database name. Let's just copy and paste. Here the database user. And here the password. Click Continue, and now we have to create an administrative user. I'll leave this the username admin, add a password, confirm the password, and click Continue. And that's it, the script has been installed. The last thing you need to do is check this box, and then you can access the script. If you click here, it takes you to the sign-in page, and in the background the script removed the installation directory for security purposes. Okay, now we are ready to log in. And that's it, the script has been installed. In the next video I will show you how to create categories, how to add words, how to create flashcards and exercises, and we'll go through all these settings.